how to set the side button double press to start voice recording on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Advanced Features. After click on Advanced Features, click on Side button. After click on button, click on double press. After click on double press, you will see voice recorder is here. Click on voice recorder and you will see select start recording. After click on voice recorder and set start recording, go back to home screen and double press side button and you will see recording is start. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set side button double press to start voice recording on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.